Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, we're going to practice the hazard perception test using real-style clips to help you improve your score and feel more confident in your driving theory test. We'll be going through 3 different clips for practice. Here's how it's going to work. First, I'll play each clip without any explanation. Your task is to carefully watch and identify the developing hazard. Then, I'll play the same clip again, but this time I'll explain where the hazard appears, why it's a hazard, and the exact moment you should click in the real test. This method will help you train your eyes to spot hazards early and maximize your points. So, stay focused, think like a safe driver, and try to score as high as possible. Let's get started. Clip number 1. Now let's solve clips 1 together. First, click here because we can see a car ahead in the left lane, and it may potentially move towards our lane. This is an early sign of a developing hazard. Second, click here because we are getting closer to that car, reducing the gap. This increases the risk, especially if the driver decides to change lanes. Third, click here because the car signals right, making it clear that it intends to move into our lane. Now the hazard is fully developed, and you should slow down, maintain a safe distance, and be prepared to let the car merge safely. Clip number 2. Now let's solve clips 2 together. First, click here because we can see a large truck traveling in the left lane ahead, which could potentially move out to overtake slower traffic. This is an early sign of a possible hazard. Second, click here because the truck begins to move slightly or position itself to change lanes, making it more likely to pull out into your lane. The hazard is now developing and could affect you. Third, click here because the situation becomes clearly dangerous. The truck is moving into your lane or is about to do so, meaning you'll need to adjust your speed, create space, and be ready to slow down. Clip number 3. Now let's solve clips 3 together. First, click here because we can see a school warning sign and 30 miles per hour zone ahead, which indicates a higher risk of children being nearby. Even if no one is visible yet, this is an early warning that a hazard could develop at any moment. Second, click here because there are parked cars and reduced visibility on the road ahead, especially near the houses. This creates a situation where a child or pedestrian could suddenly appear from between vehicles, making the hazard more likely. Third, click here because now the situation becomes clearly dangerous. You should be fully prepared to slow down, keep a close watch on both sides of the road, and be ready to stop if a child or pedestrian steps into the road. Alright, that's the end of today's practice session. If you found this video helpful, make sure to like the video, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications so you don't miss the next mock tests and hazard perception practice. Keep practicing, stay consistent, and you'll be well on your way to passing your theory test on the first attempt. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.